On behalf of Rovini College of Engineering and Technology, myself, Justin Leo, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, welcome you all for this basic civil and mechanical engineering course video session. And the course code is B8252 for the regulation 2017. So in this video session, we'll be studying about refrigeration and air conditioning, fifth unit, in which we'll be dealing with air conditioning systems. So these are all the objectives on studying for the basic civil and mechanical engineering course. So the first objective is to impart basic knowledge on civil and mechanical engineering and to familiarize the materials and measurements used in civil engineering, and also to provide the exposure on the fundamental elements of civil engineering structures, and also to enable the students to distinguish the components and the working principle of power plant units, internal combustion engines, and refrigeration and air conditioning system. So regarding the syllabus for the fifth unit, refrigeration and air conditioning system, we have the terminology of refrigeration and air conditioning, a principle of vapor compression and absorption system, and the layout of a typical domestic refrigerator, a window, and a split type room air conditioner. So these are all the textbooks and reference books for the course Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering, and these are all the course outcomes. So upon completion of the course Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering, the students will be able to explain the basic concepts of civil and mechanical engineering from Unit 1, and from Unit 2 they will be able to select the materials and measurement techniques used in civil engineering, and the students will be able to summarize the fundamental building components and the civil engineering structures upon completion of Unit 3. And from Unit 4, the students will be able to illustrate various internal combustion engines and power plant systems and subsystems with layout. And from the fifth unit, the students will be able to experiment with the typical domestic refrigerator and different types of room air conditioner. So in this video section, we'll be studying about the air conditioning. So introduction to air conditioning. So it is a process of conditioning the air according to the human comfort, irrespective of external conditions. So normally air conditioning includes the following process: cooling or heating air, addition of moisture in air or removal of moisture from air, purification of air, and addition of fresh air from outside, and distribution of air. So coming to the principle of air conditioning, in air conditioning system, the device or the unit provides air conditioning is called an air conditioner. So this device continuously draw air from an indoor space which is to be cooled. It cools in refrigeration system and discharge back into the same indoor space. So this continuous cyclic process of drawing, cooling, and recirculation of cooled air would maintain the indoor space. So the air conditioning systems are normally a fan, consist of fan for circulation of air, and it consists of filters for the cleaning of incoming air, and it has an heating element for heating of air, and it has a control system which regulates automatically the amount of cooling or heating, and it has a grill. It adjusts the direction of conditioned air to the room, and it has a tray. It collects condensed water, and the refrigerating plant which provide cooling. So this consists of compressor, generator, absorber, evaporator, condenser, expansion devices. So coming to the applications of air conditioning, this air conditioning is normally used in industries having tool room machines. It's used in textile industries to control moisture, and is used in printing press, used in food industries and chemical plants. Also, this air conditioning is used in houses, hospitals, offices, computer centers, theaters, departmental stores, etc. And this air conditioning of transport media such as buses, cars, trains, aeroplanes, and ships. And it has a wide application in food processing, printing, chemical, pharmaceutical, and machine tool, etc. So normally, this air conditioning systems are classified as according to the purpose. You have comfort air conditioning and industrial air conditioning, and according to the season of the year, you have summer air conditioning, winter air conditioning, and year-round air conditioning. So types of air conditioner, you have room air conditioners, winter air conditioners, central air conditioners, and functions of air conditioners. So you have cleaning air, controlling the temperature of air, and controlling the moisture content, and circulating the air. So the basic concepts, the first basic concept for this air conditioning is dry air. So the atmospheric air, which no water vapor, is called a dry air. And psychometry. So psychometry is nothing but it is the study of the properties of the atmospheric air. And the third basic concept is the temperature. So the degree of hotness or the coldness is called the temperature. And moisture. So it is a vapor which is present in the air. The relative humidity, it is nothing but the ratio of actual mass of water vapor in a given volume to the mass of water vapor. And dry bulb temperature. So the temperature of air measured by the ordinary thermometer is called the dry bulb temperature. And wet bulb temperature. So this wet bulb temperature is the temperature of air measured by the thermometer when it is covered by wet cloth, and it is known as wet bulb temperature. And the dew point temperature, this is a temperature at which the water vapor starts condensing, is called the dew point temperature. So types of air conditioning, first is window air conditioning system. So you can see from this figure. So to install one of these units, you need a space and to make a slot in the wall. And there also should be some open space behind the wall. So when the summer heat dies down, these units can be easily removed for storage, and you can use the windows sill for other purpose also. So that is why this is called as a window air conditioning system. And next type is the split air conditioning system. And basically this split air conditioning system consists of two parts. That is, one is the indoor unit and the second one is the outdoor unit. So the outdoor unit is fitted outside the room and house components like compressor, condenser, and expansion valve. So this outdoor unit has these components: a compressor, condenser, and expansion valve. And further, the present day, the split units have aesthetic looks and add to a beauty of the room. And this can be used to cool one or two rooms. So thank you. With this, we come to an end to this video section. So have a great day.